Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to plot your research results using Origin Pro as a bar chart. Here in this Excel sheet, we have the population of bears, dolphins, whales, and turtles from the year 2018 to 2023. And this information, we are going to plot it as a bar chart. Now let us copy the data which is available in this Excel sheet and open a new Origin workbook. In this file, we will paste the copied data. Now the entire data which is available in the Excel sheet is copied into Origin workbook. So once it is done, select all the columns by clicking here. So after that, you just go to plot, and here you select column plus label plot. So you can see here a nice bar chart is created. So now we have to format this as per our requirements. To do that, let us give the Y label as population and X label as year, and we can change this font size to say 15 and we can bold it. Similarly, the Y label font, I'll change it to 15, I'll bold it. Similarly, the X label font to 15 and then I'll bold it. To add top and bottom border like this, okay, so we have to click anywhere on this graph and then click on this button. Okay, so we'll see here the top x-axis and y-axis is assigned. So now delete this X title and Y title. Similarly, the labels on the x-axis and y-axis. So after that, we just double click on this and select the line and ticks, and here click on this major ticks style and select none. Similarly, the minor tick, you make it as none. Also select the right side and do the same thing here, none and none you select. Afterwards, you just click OK. So once it is done, the graph is ready. So once the graph is ready, now we have to export this into the required file formats. To do that, select File, click on Export Graphs and select Open Dialog. Here you can choose a path for saving the file. In my case, I'll just select here desktop and I'll give the name as bar chart 1. So just click OK. So now the file will be exported to the desktop. Now let us go to desktop and see whether the file is available or not. Now we can see on the desktop we have the bar chart that we have created. So let me just open it and see. This is the bar chart that we have created now, and we can use it for any of our manuscripts or journal papers for the publication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends.